All right, Pontiac fans, take a look at this. Here's a beauty. 1969 Pontiac Firebird convertible. Recent restoration within the last 7 to 8 years. Beautiful car. This is powered by a rebuilt 350 underneath the hood that is paired with a 4-speed Muncie manual transmission. As you can see, great orange color. Black vinyl top has been replaced. It is a power top. Interior is also black. The way this car would have came with a black vinyl interior, bucket seats, obviously, center console and shifter. And yes, this car does look as good in person as it does in the video and the pictures. Obviously, you can see the gloss and the shine to this car. Bright work, also nice shape up front here. Now, if you want to take your time, look through the pictures, check out the underside of this, check out the interior of the engine bay, go ahead, go to our website, uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video, there's a link. You can click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. Check out the pictures. There's over 100 pictures of this car there. You can also call us if you'd like to inquire about it. I have some questions. 507-386-1726. Now, also underneath the hood, looking at power brakes and power steering. Do have disc up front. You got power disc brakes up front, right on American Racing wheels. Rubber's in good shape. All around, pretty much a turnkey car. Get in this one and go. There's a 10-bolt rear. Cruise control, all original floors and quarters. New top. Obviously, this vinyl top is in great shape. We'll slip around to the other side. We'll start this up, check out the interior, take a look at it a little closer. I want to do this video with the top up to show you how nice that top was on this car. Also looks incredible with the top down, and you can see that in the still pictures once again. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist with getting this car to where you're located at. May be eligible for an extended warranty also. Feel free to ask your sales associate if you call in and talk to one, or if you email. Just want to let you be aware of that. See up and down this car how straight it is. Not full of, a bunch of dings, nicks, scratches. You might have a couple little touch-ups here and there, but overall, very, very nice shape. Like I said, rebuilt 350 under the hood, as well as that Muncie 4-speed transmission. Let's go ahead and pop this door open and take a look at the interior. Seat belts are all intact. See black buckets. Again, carpeting was replaced. Door panels look good. And also there's just a couple little spots on the seat. We had a little touch up there. Maybe just a little bit of wear there. But overall, pretty darn nice interior also. Great running car, good sounding car. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Nice little rumble coming out of that. Tack does not work. Make you aware of that also. A couple aftermarket gauges underneath. Coolant temp. Oil pressure. Little later model retro looking stereo in it. Power's up. Check out the dash. Alright, let me slip around to the back so you can hear this, and we'll take a look at the engine bay. Listen to that. Great sound, nice rumble. This one's going to turn some heads rolling in your local shows, cruise-ins. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second, and let's take a look underneath the hood. Looks as nice under here as the rest of it. Look at this. Look at how smooth that runs. There's that 350 4-barrel. Power steering, power brakes, and look at how nicely it is finished off underneath there. Like I said, not that old a restoration. There you have it. Feel free to give us a call on this one. Pontiac Firebird convertible. 507-386-1726 is the number you can reach us at. UniqueClassicCars.com is the website. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Look forward to hearing from you on this beauty.